Okay guys, we're going to talk about getting credits in these safe lists. Now, earlier on in the previous steps, I told you that it'd be important to create little folders on the side here of all your safe listed mailers, and here's why. Because now they're labeled over here, I can easily go to them, so I'm going to click on Melzy, and now it's there, and it'll be a lot faster for me, so now I want to get my credits. Now, all these give you a different amount of credits per click, and some of them you have to actually go back and click on an icon. Some of them you don't. So the ones you have to click on the icon are going to be slower. The ones that you don't have to click an icon on are going to be a lot faster. Now on the cheat sheet, I put the cheat sheet together for a reason. It kind of gives you a breakdown of what it's going to take if you follow that when you're clicking for credits. It's pretty accurate if you do it the way that I'm going to show you. So let's go to Melzy. So I clicked on Melzy, I'm going to click the credit, and then I'm going to go back right there to my email. I'm going to go to the next one. I'm going to click it, and just keep doing this. So I got on the cheat sheet about 30 minutes for Melzy, which is going to get you a little over 3,000 credits. It's not going to be the max send, but it's pretty close. The max send is a little over 4,000. But we can't be wasting all day clicking for credits, because we have to make sure that we're getting everything else taken care of as well, because this isn't the only one we're clicking credits on. But this is how I do it, and when I'm timing it, I'm probably getting between 3,400 and 3,500 credits on 30 minutes. And like I said, some of those times are shorter than something like Melzy, because it's a lot easier to get credits. You don't have to go back and click an icon, and they give you more per click as well. So, right, I'm just doing this here as an example. Now, these will fill up once their timer goes. They'll give you an icon to click. So this one's ready to go. I click it to get my 15 credits. I can exit out. This one's ready to go. Click on the icon. They give me my credits. I exit out. Same thing. I just keep following the process. And I'll do this for 30 minutes. And then I'll move on to something else that's on the daily list of what I should be clicking for that day. Because each day is going to be different. Because Melzy, you can only send out 5 days anyway. So you won't be clicking Melzy every day. You'll see. If you follow the cheat sheet, it's got it all lined up there for you. So there's just an example of Melzy. Now let's do like a List Mailer Plus. This one's a little easier, but you don't get many credits for clicking. They only pay 10 credits per click, so you got to click a ton of them. That's why this is another 30-minute. But I don't have to go back up there and click an icon. I could sit here and I could fill the screen up with these, and it'll count down the timer, and then I just go back and exit them out. So these are a little more simple. Now some of these, what'll happen is they'll let you fill the screen up, but sometimes they want to make sure you're a human, so when you go back, there'll be like a verification. So you have to click the verification to register your credits. Like SoTom's going to do that to you, and there's a couple others on here that'll do that to you, that are listed as our daily requirements or weekly requirements, whichever it is on the cheat sheet. So if you just follow the guide and learn how to click these credits faster, you're not just clicking one at a time, and you're not really looking at the offers. If you do see an offer that you like, I recommend just bookmarking it, which would be going right up here to the star, clicking on the star, bookmark the page, go back and review it after you're done surfing. So, alright, that's it. I just wanted to give you that, how to work that, and if you follow the cheat sheet with this clicking the credits, everything is going to be really close to what you need to get everything done. So, thank you very much for watching.